I'm Jean. I'm a resident and a community volunteer at wedi. I started volunteering at the age of 14, which I just added up to is 54 years. When I started to learn about time credits, it was all about the schools, and the school children were earning them. And then eventually I started earning them. And what I noticed more about the volunteering role was that people's lives were changing. People who didn't have much money, low self-esteem, no confidence. And slowly but surely, by doing simple things, they started to blossom, and you could see them growing. They had more confidence. They started to go on to small courses like first aid, food hygiene, any course they could get their hands on, they went on. And now eventually we got people now going on to university. We got people who've never worked in their lives now working. And it's just such a thrill to see people whose lives have changed so much through just a simple thing. 1 hour volunteering equals 1 time credit. But what a powerful tool. It's so powerful. It just gives people that more genuine interest in their community. They feel so much better in themselves. They're not going to the doctor. They're not feeling their aches and pains anymore because they're too busy. And I urge everyone, if everyone in Cardiff could just give 1 hour a week, what a wonderful place Cardiff as a whole would be, even better than what it is now.